I just wanted to express my tremendous gratitude to the Yiddish Book Center and to all the people who worked there. They were the first people to take my interest in Yiddish seriously and to recognize I had a deep artistic interest and affinity for Yiddish and for Yiddish culture. And if it hadn't been for them, I wouldn't have learned Yiddish. I wouldn't have been able to take Yiddish classes at Hebrew University in Jerusalem. I wouldn't have met Ruth Weiss and have been able to take her Yiddish theater class. I wouldn't have met Lubik Haddison or Seymour Rexite. So it really, the Yiddish Book Center and Aaron and Neil Zagorin and everybody who works there had such a positive and joyful impact on my career as an artist, for which I'm tremendously grateful. So thank you.